An inquiry that you see a great deal is, would I be able to profit on the web when I have no cash? It is a test to achieve, yet absolutely not feasible. One of the least demanding and least expensive spots to start your own business is on the web. In truth, it is a gift and a revile. It really is great for those individuals who are resolved over procuring cash on the web. It is workable for them to do it for a modest quantity, if any, beginning up cash. It is likewise a revile on the grounds that you have a huge measure of individuals who start a business, at that point put no work into it, and gripe about the way that they were ripped off. Before you start any business, you should perceive that it involves exertion and devotion. On the off chance that you are prepared to take the necessary steps and invest the energy, then the web is an incredible decision for you to start without spending any cash. It requires you to have an arrangement, and to finish it. At the point when you have the frame of mind that it will be basic and brisk, at that point you are presumably going to be ineffective. It looks somewhat alarming, and for the customary individual, who has no involvement of the manner in which a web business works, it tends to be. Things being what they are, in what capacity would it be a good idea for you to begin? The underlying advance is to choose what your spending limit is. In the event that you have no accessible funds, at that point you know about the sorts of projects you need to consider. Free ones. Try not to sit around looking into programs that are going to charge you. Everything it does is demoralize you, and you will in the end quit looking. Presently, the phenomenal thing with the web is there are a lot of free approaches to begin. Partner projects are an ideal model. An enormous sum are allowed to join, and your main responsibility is to publicize them and have deals. In the event that you do a little examination, you will discover various projects, and you simply need to pick the one you are keen on. Regardless of which no-cost strategy you pick, the following stage will be the equivalent. Likewise with any business, in the event that you wish to make development, you have to put resources into your online business. Settle on a sum, regardless of whether it is $10 of the cash you have made, or $1,000. You should reinvest. For the most part, fruitful online advertisers will illuminate you that you ought to have a site. There are a few focal points to making your very own site, one of which is you can advance various things in a single spot. Rather than promoting everything, you publicize your site, and after that, when individuals visit, they will see your extra chances. As your benefit expands, you need to keep on reinvest. The all-out you contribute will be dictated by you. On the off chance that you wish to contribute a great deal of time, at that point you will have the option to contribute less cash, and vice versa. Beginning any business implies you need to place in exertion and commitment. However, with the web you can start to profit without spending any. Do your examination and pick a program or method that you will like, and reinvest in your business as you can. With these two stages you can create the opportunity to acquire cash on the web. Click the link in the description for more information.